Do you want quicker access to accessibility feature on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? The accessibility button gives you a shortcut to accessibility tools, and you can choose where the button appears on your screen. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Accessibility shortcut. Next, tap Accessibility button. Here, under the location section, you can choose between two locations. The first option is navigation bar. This places the accessibility button in the navigation area at the bottom of the screen. And the second option is floating over other apps. This places a floating accessibility button on top of your apps, making it easy to access from almost anywhere. For this example, let's choose floating over other apps. As you can see, the accessibility button appears as a floating button that stays available while using different apps. And that's how you change the accessibility button location on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.